In this maths lesson, we are going to learn how to simplify algebraic expressions with powers, or in other words, how to collect like terms with powers. Let's have a look at these three examples. On the first one, we have 2x and x. So we're adding 2x to x. They are both like terms because they are both x's. So we're going to add 2x with x, which gives us 3x. On the second example, we have 2x squared plus x squared. They both have x squared, so the both terms are same and they have the same power. So we can go ahead and add 2x squared and x squared together. That will give us 3x squared. On the third example, we have 2x squared plus x. Now, the first term is x squared and the second one is just x. They don't have the same power. One of them is a power of 2, one of them is power of 1. Because there are no powers, we have 1. Now, because they have two different powers, we cannot add them together or even subtract them. So we're going to leave it as it is, which is 2x squared plus x. Let's have a look at three more examples. The first one, we are adding 5x squared and 3x squared together. And we can see the powers are both same, so x squared and x squared. So we have 5 lots of x squared adding 3 lots of x squared, which is altogether 8x squared. On the second example, we have 7x squared and we have minus 3x, and then we have 4x squared and plus 6x. So we can see we have two different terms. So one of the term is x squared. So 7x squared and 4x squared are like terms, so let's put them in rectangles. And then we have minus 3x and plus 6x. They both have the same power of x, which is just 1. So we can add and subtract those two as well. So let's go ahead and add 7x squared to 4x squared, which is 11x squared. So minus 3x plus 6x, which is plus 3x, and when we write the answer, try to write it in order, so the highest power first and then the smaller power. Question 3, we have 7x squared and then y squared and y. So we have three different terms here, so we're going to add 7x squared to 3x squared because they have the same power, which is the same term. Then we have y squared and then plus 4y squared, the same term, and then we have y term by itself. So 7x squared plus 3x squared, which is 10x squared, and then we have y squared plus 4y squared, which is 5y squared, and then we have y term by itself, which is just plus y. Here are some practice questions for you to try. Pause the video and have a go at them. And once you finish, press play and we'll go to the answers. Just keep an eye on the powers when you are doing these questions. I hope you had a good go at these questions, so let's go ahead and find the answers. So we have 5x squared plus 6x squared and then minus 2x squared. They all have the same term, which is x squared. So let's add 5x squared and 6x squared together, which is 11x squared. And then 11x squared take away 2x squared, which is 9x squared. Question 2. We have x squared and x, and then we have a number. So we have three different terms here. So x squared is on its own, so we're going to write down x squared. Now 5x and minus 3x are the same term. So we're going to 5x take away 3x, which is plus 2x. And then plus 2 and plus 3, just numbers, which are the same terms. So that'll give us plus 5. Question number 3, we have x squared and 2x squared. so which are the same terms, and then 2x and 4x, the same term, and then plus 6 by itself. So x squared plus 2x squared, which is 3x squared. Remember, if there are no numbers in front of the term, that represents a 1 of that term. 2x plus 4x, which is 6x, and then 2x squared, we already done that one, be careful not repeating them. And then finally we have 6 by itself plus 6. Let's quickly double check our answer. So x squared plus 2x squared, which is 3x squared, and 2x plus 4x, which is 6x, and then plus 6. And also it's in the order of power. It's power of squared first and then just x. Question number 4. We have a number, square and cube. So we have 3 different terms here. So let's go ahead and do the cube first. Let's put them in rectangles. Then the power of x squared, and then the number itself. So x cubed, 2x cubed plus 3x cubed, which is 5x cubed. Then we have minus x squared and plus 2x squared. So that will give us just plus x squared. And then 5 add 6, which is 11. So the answer is 5x cubed plus x squared plus 11. I hope this video helps you to understand collecting like terms with powers. If this video helped you, please do give it a like and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video where we are going to simplify terms by multiplying and dividing. You will also find the other algebra topics playlist on the top right hand corner and also in the description, so please feel free to watch those videos as well for your GCSE Maths revision, and I will see you in the next video. Mr. Mahmud, helping you do better in maths.